All right, let's see. Okay, woo! 4, 3. Yeah. Let's go. Go. Today we are going to Amerson Park in Macon. We are going as a family with my sister, my brother, my daughter in the back sleep, and my mother in the driver's side. And yeah, just come along with us. It'll be fun. No, this actually does hurt my legs.
Sorry, did I give you permission to record me?
You wanna? No. Denise, do I have permission? Hold on. Do I have permission to record you?
No.
Why not?
No.
Why?
Somebody asked me why you want to record me?
Yes.
Why?
I want to record you because you're.
You're a weirdo.
No. No. Oh. Okay, what are we doing? Denise, what are we doing?
I don't know.
Amerson?
We're working out at the Amerson River Park.
How is it even getting me? No, not that way. How I did you?
Go ahead, bro. Show how you work out.
We're working. We're working out at the Amerson Park in Macon.
Look at my shoes. If
Get
you
off
don't
my
like
phone.
my shoes, then get off my line.
Get off my food. Make my food.
Look at this doofus, bro. What the flip is this doofus doing, bro? What the flip, bro?
Are you recording me?
I am now, bro. What the flip is she? What are we doing, bro? What the flip?
Get it, Ayla. Get it, Ayla. No. I need to work out my legs because. What'd you say? I need to work out my legs because I feel like my upper body is like stronger than my lower body. No? I feel like my upper body is stronger than my lower body. Yeah? Oh no. Oh no. Ooh. She got a cramp.
Oh, man.
Who is this working out? Your core.
Oh. Time to play at the park.
Okay, come on. Come. How many pull-ups can you do, Denise?
100. Pull up one.
No, seriously.
200.
No. Go ahead and try. I want to see how many you can do. Did you actually just try? You could do one.
I can't though.
Go ahead, just do one. Oh my gosh. Okay, pull up. Here, do me. I bet you.
Realistically, 103.
Realistically, I do 3. All right, let's see. Okay, woo! 4, 3. Yeah. Let's go.
303.
Go, 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 go.
Delaya, wait, come here.
Why is she running like that?
Bro, look at that blue. Wait, that can't be healthy. Where's that coming from?
I don't know.
Why is it so blue and veiny? Wait, I kind of. Do you feel a lump right here, bro? Did I mess my jump up?
No, there's no lump. It feels like it's just the base.
What's that blue splotch? Look at my hands. I did 100 pull-ups.
Oh my god. I wish I could sit in there.
Ow! You just pinched me. Hey, what? I can't walk like that. We have to walk like the. You have to strut. Hocus-pocus. You're not even doing it.
Okay, then go back. We're gonna knock into the 5, 6, 7. I'm not even recording it.
Walking like the hocus-pocus. I love
It's pretty. Where's the whole thing? Say it again. What is it?
Hippopotamus has plus weight. Wake up, camera. Hippopotamus plus hippopotamus is what? Correct, it's hippopotamus. My nipples are out. You better be lucky.
Okay.
Never seen strut.
Okay.
Okay. That's recording the strut.
Okay.
Oh, don't bump into me, babes.
But that's how we become icons.
That's not how you walk. You don't walk into me. Maybe a little sloppier. Oh, less. Less is more. Yeah, I ain't running. But go ahead, girl.
Are you okay, Denise? Oh, look at the sun.
Sorry, babes. Gone bad at an early age. Where's your mom?
What the freak are you talking about, bro?
You don't know what I'm talking about, brats?
Oh, no.
It's a beautiful thing. So beautiful. Huh? That's not the music we need for this.
No, we need beautiful,
Beautiful, beautiful,
Please.
Period. What was that big jump? It's pretty.
Cheers. Ding.
That's actually really gross. Denise.
You guys are weird. Wow, you're eating leftovers for your last day on Earth. Oh, what? Oh, man.
Oh, wait. What I move by fat?
Delaya is built like a man.
Hey, no, she not. But I'm saying about a girl like that, boy. That was actually insane. No. Yeah, we don't play about stuff like that here. You really get tore up for real. Swiss cheesy for real.
Denise.
So basically what we did today was Delaya had work from 8 from 8 to 4 o'clock today. And after that, anyway, we ate breakfast. It was breakfast casserole, and then after that, I took my vitamin and I did my hair. It looks so great, I know. After I did my hair, I got dressed, and we went to this like hiking place, and there was a waterfall and everything. It was so nice. We went to like this hiking place. There was a waterfall. We took pictures and all that. It was so fun.
Baby with the good hair. Cause you look at you turn around like you saying something.
What do you think? What are you calling me for?
Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my ex-strippers.